Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel howtopega.com. So today I'm going to explain how to log into the Pega application and basic go through of the Pega application. First I will launch the application. In here in the screen you can see there are two different Pega icons. These three icons is Pega 7 and these three icons for Pega 8. So I install the basic local edition Pega 7 and Pega 8. In here I will launch the Pega 8 application. Have three different icons for start up the server and log in through the browser and shut down the server. So first I will start the server. Just simple double click to this icon, it will start the server. So we need to wait some time to start the server. It will take around 5 minutes to start. This server got started. I'll click second icon, Pega platform login. Simply double click the icon. It will open the local Pega 8.1. This is the personal edition of Pega 8.1. First time users need to log in with the username administrator@pega.com. The password is install. After that you can create your operator. According to the operator ID you can give username and password. So this is the first time I am logging with the administrator@pega.com with the password install. Now we are in the Pega application. So this is called basic dev portal. In the Pega 8 we have 4 different Pega portal to perform the development and system configuration tasks. I will explain one by one with the usage. First one is Dev Studio. Now currently we are in a Dev Studio. Dev Studio is commonly used for development purpose using experienced application developers and account admins and security admins using this portal to develop the application. So this is the first portal. Second one is App Studio. So I switch to the App Studio. I will show you how it's look like. This also focus on application development, case design, data and integration, channels and interface. For example, mobile, email, chatbots, and UI authoring. So we can switch the different UIs. So in here you can see different icons. One is desktop, one is tablet preview, and other one is mobile preview. If I click the mobile preview, it will show how it look like in mobile. So in mobile also we can switch different mobile types to check the screen preview. It supports real-time UI design. It's helpful for reviews with the stakeholders. So normal developers won't use this, but it's giving some simple development techniques to develop some application. We can do case design and data types and interface design and users and setting some basic functionality. We can use it here. This is the second portal. So third one is Admin Studio. This Admin Studio focus for system operations, requesters, jobs, it's called agents, queue processors, agents and queues, listeners and logs, APIs. So it will support both cloud and on-premises development. I will explain what are the difference between cloud and on-premise development. So in here you can see how many users log in, how many nodes running, what are the agents, requester pool, queue processor and job. This is the overview page for the Admin Studio. So next item, I'll move to Prediction Studio. It's focused on defining AI models and assets, predictive analysis, adaptive analysis, test analytics, and transparency policies and data exploration. We use this portal. I will show you how it's look like. You can see some sample predictions. It's by default Pega given. We will check this each and every studio in later. I will switch to Dev Studio back. I will go through one by one what are the features we have in the Dev Studio. First, I'll explain in the left side, left panel. First one is recent. If you click the recent, you can see what are the rules we used in recently. We can easily open the rule using the recent tab, and we can using search also. And second one is case type. When we create the case type in Pega, we used to create each and every application we are using through the case. If we create a case, it will show it here. What are the case type in our application? And third one is data types. Data types also, we create some data types in Pega. I will explain it later how to create data types, what is the usage for this. If we create the data types, it will come here with the name. So easily we can open the data types and configure. Fourth one is app. App will show the classes in your application. This is the Pega default application, Pega platform. In the Pega platform, what are the classes we have? We have different types of class structure. In here you can see all the class structure. If you open that, so you will see inside that what are the rule types we have. Each and every rule categorized with the different types. I will explain how it's categorized and what are the rules comes under each and every category. So next one is records. In records, we can see all the type of rules within a single category. For example, In application design, we have different category: rule, application rule, application document, application guide, requirement, specification, like this. We have different categories to each and every rule. So data model is the next one. We have data flow, data page, data set, data transform, like that. We have multiple rule type. In here we have decision, integration, like that. We have multiple categories. Each and every category contains different rule types. Next one is favorites. In favorites, you can see some rules you marked as a favorite. If you open one rule, you want to use it frequently, you want to make it as favorite, you can make it as favorite and it will come under favorite section. Next is our user profile. So we can click the profile. It will show your profile. It will show your profile and what are the data you given into the operator and what are the role we have, what are the rule sets it's accessible for this profile. At the same time, we can see the time zone and calendar and the server detail as well. Next one is preferences. So we can set some preference to the application. According to the settings, we can get some different views. Can enable Dev Studio navigation, Dev Studio localization, diagnostics features, and flow settings and rule actions, auto checkout on servers. Like that, we can add some preferences. Override the default application skin as well. Next one is operator. In Pega, each and every user, we have a rule operator ID. I log in with the administrator at pega.com. This is one type of rule. It comes under organization operator ID. This operator ID is a one rule type. I open operator ID rule. In here, I can see the operator ID username. At the same time, what's the access group, application access I have for this operator. And left side, I can see the image and title, first name, last name. Like that, I can give the operator's details. In here, I can give the time zone as well. Initially, I log in with the password install. If you want to update with the new password, I can go to security tab and I get the password as well. In work tab, what are the organization routing and what is the work group and skills and work queue, like that. We have some default settings. I will explain you bit detail in future videos. For now, I will tell you this is a one rule type operator ID. is administrator@pega.com. This is we are using to track the users. And next one is access group. In operator, I show you what are the application the user can access. Its operator, it's pointed to access group. Access group is pointed to application. I will explain with detail with this chain how it's worked. And my favorites, we can edit the favorites and log off to log off the application. So this is the left panel: recent, case type, data types, apps, records, favorites, and the user settings, operator, preference, profile, and access group, and log off. Next is the top menu. In the top menu, you can see the application. So what is the application we are currently logging? Is Pega platform. In the Pega platform, we can see the overview for this application and definition for this application, and channels, what are the channels and interface we have, and what is the skin we used, and we can switch different application. This is currently we are pointed to Pega platform. Currently in this system we have two different applications, so I can switch to DM sample as well. And if I want to create a new application, I can click the new application icon as well. And next one is configure. So this is the configure tab. We can access some different features in Pega. For example, if I click application, I can check the quality of this application through some complaints score. So if I want to check the quality of this application, I can go to application quality guardrail warnings and click complaint score. It will show the score of the complaints for this current application. So this current application, 100 out of 100. It's a Pega default application. So in our new application, we can check the scores. Like that, in the development tab, we can see the recent actions, what we did in recent days, and what are the checked out rules and weekly rules updates. Like that, we can get different reports, different features using this configure menu. And next one is launch the application. So if we create the application, it will create some different portal. For example, if we create an application for users and managers, we will configure two different portals. In here, Pega, we have four types of portal. Like that, we have different view for different users. In here, Pega platform, we have case manager. In our application also, if we create different portal, it will comes in launch web interface. We can development time, we can switch to the interface and we can validate whatever the changes we did. And next one is create. Its create menu is offering in the same as the record tab. Whatever the rules we have, it will display in this category. So I want to create some rule. I can go to that category and I can create the rule. I told you, in the organization, operator ID is one rule type. So if I go to organization and operator ID, I can create another new operator ID rule. So this menu is used to create new rules in Pega. And next one is search. So when development, I want to search some rule. I can go one by one and find the rule. So directly I can click here and type the rule name and search. It will show the rule here. So directly I can see the operator ID type rule, the rule. If I click, it will open here. Next one is checkout. Checkout means when I am working on one rule, I will use checkout option to edit something, and after editing I will check in the rule again with a comment. So in development time, I have some checkout rules. If I want to see what are the rules we have, indirectly I can click and see whatever the rule in my checkout. In this is the help regarding the Pega. If anything is, if I want to check, I can simply click and check through this icon. So in here you can see a white space. This space we call is a developer area. Normally we used to develop all the logics in this area only. In the bottom you can see another menu to check the issues, tracer, clipboard, and the live UI, accessibility control, and performance. I will explain you each and every option in detail in future videos when we do the development. So that's all for the Dev Studio. I hope you got some basic understanding of this Dev Studio. In next video, we will learn how to develop a basic Pega application through this Dev Studio. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and please click the bell icon to get instant update. Thank you.